All right, so I'm with my sister, Madison, in the Huracan. You've never been in this car before, right? And you have a huge thing in your tooth.
Really?
That's going in the video. Is that scary?
Well, it just feels like you're like throwing up backwards. I'm scared. It actually makes me sick.
Oh. See, it crackles. Watch.
How do you not just pass out when you're driving?
I don't know, you get used to it. You gotta work your way up with fast cars. That's one thing people are, what? Your pulse? You might be dead? That's one thing people are like, will message me, hey, I'm so-and-so age, should I get a Hellcat or whatever? And you kind of have to work your way up with fast cars. Otherwise, it's kind of, I mean, if you were driving this and you reacted like that while you were driving, you would die instantly. Versus someone in a top fuel dragster that does 0 to 350 miles an hour in 4 seconds probably would be like, oh man, this is really slow. So
I'm going down the hill.
yep, just ready.
Get off. I'm in pain.
You're in pain.
My stomach.
All right, what is your overall reaction to the Huracan?
It's a little scary.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's really cool. It's ridiculously fast.
All right, so this is my dad's first time in the Huracan.
You don't live around here.
Why? People would hate me?
Yeah.
Well, this is the first time my dad has driven any of my cars, so this is scary.
There's too many old people. That's been awesome. Wow.
Well, that was the most stressful thing ever.